Hi, I'm Chris Newey. I'm a prototype tool making apprentice at IMI Precision Engineering in Fradley. What I do is we make some prototypes and some tooling, you know, press tools, dies. We'll either do it on manual machines or on CAD/CAM software, so it's quite a varied job, and there won't be a day where I'll go in and do the same thing. It's varied from day to day and I really enjoy it. An In-Comm ambassador is somebody that's encouraged to get more of the younger generation to get into engineering, as at the minute most of the workforce is ageing. I'd advise them to look at their options, have a look at different apprenticeships within engineering, because there's quite a wide spectrum of stuff. People just get the impression that engineering is just manufacturing, but there's a lot of different aspects that different people would enjoy.